Hi YouTube, I am Sujit Kumar from Advanced Excel Training. Today I explain to you how can you use VLOOKUP like VLOOKUP formula in Excel VBA macro formula. So let's start. I will open one Excel file. We have get some problem because I have one database this like this. In this data, name is repeated more than repeated time. I have the same data, one data. In this data, have a name more than one time. Like Ravi is the here and another here. So more than repeated time. With Excel formula, I want to search Ravi sales. Then I apply VLOOKUP. We apply VLOOKUP just like VLOOKUP, select lookup value and another select table array, then column index number and exact match. So with VLOOKUP, I have received only for one data. Okay, with VLOOKUP, return the result the ascending order. If your data have the repeated time, VLOOKUP return only one data, first data, not a one data, it's the first data. Just like Ravi here. So only for the every time will be returned Ravi is the sorted order on the first data. But I want to return every data of the Ravi, just like that and here. See the above, just like I will return Sunil data is the five time data, five time repeated in this data. So five numbers in here comma separated. So I want to return like this. So with Excel formula, I have no choice, no have any functions, no have any options. So I will go through with VBA functions. So Microsoft give us VBA macro programming. With VBA macro programming, we will create the custom macros, custom user form, and custom functions. At least formula. So developer go to the developer tab and click on the Visual Basic, and I will insert one module because I have rewrite the macros on modules. The declare the function for declaration function right here function and name of the macro just like a lookup, yeah, all lookup. Name your choice, but not write the space comma dot any specific character in the name of the macros and functions, and bracket open. Here the right here the inputs. So we have three inputs. First name, lookup value, second range, and third column number. So here right here three variables just like n as a variant. Here right here variant because in future presented now have the text. So we write here a string replaced from the variant, but in future you have number, you have date, you have time, any type of the data. So we have right here variant is the accepted all data types. Second R for range as a range, and third column number C as a integer. Enter here, then right here formula all VLOOKUP to select here name E1 E5 value Ravi is stored as the on the n, and select the data only one column. This range set on the R, and column number 2 set on the C. So E5 equal to n, A131 set on the R, and 2 store on the C. So we have the three inputs, and in the formula three inputs add the data stored on the these variables. Then one defined variable dim R as a R not an R already run, so R1 as a range, because we have applied for each. So for each of the two types of the data, first data and second your range. So for each R1 in R, I will write the sentence for each R in R. R1 is the range, R in the area range. So I say for every cells in the R, every cells in the R here. So one by one every cell check out. This is the loop. So then write here condition if R1 dot value is equal to n, then one another variable right here define here dim d as a string, because return as a comma separated number, so this is the called string, because more than one more than one special character add in the one cell, that cell automatically convert to text format. If R1 dot value equal to n, then d equal to d and %, comma, because comma separated, and R1 dot offset 0 row and C minus 1 column, because offset is starting from the 0, but here is the number, so minus 1. And if and next R1, then apply your result on formula for the output, then all we look a formula name, type a formula name and equal to d. Okay, then test row formula. See here, one by one search and match. If your that value and selected value is the equal, then next column value is the add-on d. So one by step, every cells go through the every cells and check out, and if the value is the match, then offset will be returned the next cell value. But some problem here ki first have the comma, one comma, because here is the comma, first time d is the blank, d have the blank value, no any value, so here comma is the, so I have the one type of example, just like d equal to right, rigst right, and write here d comma len d minus 1. Then we will remove your comma, first comma. But some problem here, just like I type Ravi in the small letter, your formula give the error. Why? Because in the Excel VBA macro and Excel VBA programming, if condition is the case sensitive, because I type here Ravi in the I search Ravi in the small letter, but in the data Ravi is the proper title case, proper case, the title case. So this is the problem. So we have the solution. We convert the all both all variables in the uppercase, just like u case, and with the bracket here, u case, bracket open and close. Then I will run send. This is the Excel VBA functions programming. Uh, this example, this type of the example, you can write the your functions, your formulas. You have got the problem and not a solution in the Excel normal Excel formulas and command. So you will create the on type of the functions and formulas as per your requirement with VB macro programming. This is the customized Excel programming Excel formula. If you like this training, you want to learn with me on live, we have to provide the training at online classroom training. No, not a classroom, sorry. We have to only provide the online training with a GoToMeeting software. Okay, this is a live training, not a recording sessions. In this training, you ask me questions live with us and ask the questions, and I give you all the solutions. First, we are offering you 3 to 4 demo training. This is the free. Then come and join the 3 to 4 demo training and watch your training and attend your training. If you like this training, after then go to the joining process. For the joining and demo training, call us by our number 8826828093 or log on my website iptindia.com and register or free demo training. When you type when you log on my website just like iptindia.com, and we have the first page window on the popping offering you 3 demo training and book here, type your informations and submit. Then I will call. Then you receive your query, and I will call you and fix the timing when you want to the classes. But if this classes is the online, but live training, this is the better than classroom training. So I paid your call. So please call us 88269293 and log on my website iptindia.com. Thank you for watching this video. If you like the video, share and subscribe and recommend your friends. Thank you.